Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix cleanup not showing on iPhone photos. The cleanup tool in the Photos app on iPhones requires iOS 18.1 or later and is limited to certain iPhone models like iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, or iPhone 16 series and later. If your device meets these requirements and you still don't see the cleanup option, ensure your software is up to date. So go ahead to the general, the software update, make sure your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. You may also need to wait for the feature to fully download or restart your device if it's stuck on preparing cleanup. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.